video is from Hillsar English Medium School.
The friends, till part 4 of this exercise, fun with the playing with numbers, we have completed 3.4 exercises. Let us move towards the fifth exercise, 3.5 exercise. But before that, we will have a short discussion over different rules which are remaining, distributive rules and prime factorization. If a number is divisible by two co-prime number, then it is divisible by their product also. मतलब दो प्राइम को-प्राइम नंबर से एक नंबर डिविजिबल है तो उन दोनों को-प्राइम नंबर के अगर हमने प्रोडक्ट ले, प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, विद दैट आल्सो आंसर आल्सो दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल. इफ गिवन two numbers are divisible by a number, दो नंबर दिए, अगर वो डिविजिबल एक नंबर से डिविजिबल है, देन देयर सम इज आल्सो डिविजिबल बाय दैट नंबर. दोनों नंबर के सम मीन्स एडिशन भी डिविजिबल बाय दैट नंबर. If two given numbers they are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. पहले टेस्ट में क्या देखा, दोनों के addition also divisible by that number. Here their difference is also divisible by that number. Let us move towards the prime factorization. You have already done this in your earlier classes. Means what? You take out the factors of the number till the factors form. They are all are prime numbers. See here, the factors of 24s are written in a different way you can do, but at the last all factors which are coming, they are prime and they are same. Like 2 12s are, further 12 is divided into 2 6s are, then 6 further classified as 2 3s are. So finally it has come 2 2 2 3. 24 also can be divided as 4 6 are 24, then 4 further divided as 2 2s are, and 6 can be factorized as 2 3s are. या फिर हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, 3 8 24, 3 फर्दर डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, फैक्टराइज 8 कैन बी डन, 2 2 2 2 2 4 4 2 8, लाइक दैट. सी ऑल द थ्री केसेस फाइनल फैक्टर्स विच आर फॉर्म 2 2 2 3, ये सब में सेम है. We can also do prime factorization in the form of a factor tree. ट्री के फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. तो 36 के बनाया उन्होंने, 2 18s are, then 2 2 9, then 2 2 3 3, like that. Final factors are 2 2 3 3. Now let us move towards the exercise of this lesson, where first is true or false, and then so many questions are there. I have just solved it for you and I have given it discussion. Let us move toward the first question, that is true or false. If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. It is false. 3 से divisible है तो 9 से नहीं होगा. But if it is divisible by 9, then it should be divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. It is true, yes. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6. This is false. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it must be divisible by 90. Yes, it is true. If two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime number. False. दोनों नंबर को उसमें से एक नंबर प्राइम नंबर होना ही चाहिए, that is false. If all numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8, it is false. अगर 8 से है तो 4 से हो सकता है, मगर 4 से है तो 8 से divisible होगा ही, ऐसे नहीं. Numbers which are given by 8 must also be divisible by 4. It is true. 8 से 4 से है, 8 से divisible है तो 4 से हो सकता है. If a number exactly divided two numbers separately, it must exactly divided their sum. ये हमने पहले प्रॉपर्टी देखी ना. It is true. If a number exactly divided the sum of two numbers, it must exactly divide by two numbers separately. That is false. Sum को है मतलब separate numbers से divide होगा या नहीं, false. See, in the second question, they have given the factor tree for 60. Missing numbers हमें लिखने हैं. So 60 divided 6 tens are, right? For the 6 divided into 2 and question mark. 2 3s are 6. So missing place is 3. See here in the next side, 10 divided as 5 and the missing number is 5 2s are 10. See, other way the 60s are given, 60 32s are, then 10 3s are, and 10 further divided as 5 2s are or 2 5s are. So here we got all the question missing place numbers. Let's move toward the third question. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? See, first here 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of the composite number. है कि नहीं? तो prime factorization हम निकालते हैं 1 and that itself number we are not taking. The other numbers we are taking. Fourth question. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express in the term of its prime factor. Greatest 4-digit number कौन सा है? That is 9999, 9919. That is greatest 4-digit number. Now उसका prime factors हमें निकालना है. So first it cannot divide by 2. Yes, because the last number is 9. It should be even number. So it is divided by 3. 3 से divide किया तो क्या आंसर आया? 3333. Then this number is further divided by 3. तो आंसर आया 1111. Further, this can be divided by 11. So we got the answer 101. So what are the prime factors? 3, 3, 11 and 101. Let us move towards the fifth question. Write the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number कौन सा है? It is 10,000. Express it in the form of prime factors. So prime factors निकालिए. 2 से divide होगा. 2 से divide करेगा आएगा 5,000. The 5,000 divided by 2 we got 2,500. That number divided by 2 we got 1250. Further divided by 2 we got 625. This number cannot be divided by 2 as well as 3, not by 4. So 5 से divide करके देखो we got 125. 125 further divided by 5 we got 25. 25 further divided by 5 we got 5 and 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. So these all are the prime factors. They are the 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's it. Move towards the sixth question. Find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. So सारे prime factors निकालने उसको ascending order में लिखने. Now state the relation, if any, between the two consecutive prime numbers. Given number is there. So this number is divided by 7. So 7 से जब divide करेंगे तो आंसर है 247. This number is divided by 13. 13 से divide करें तो आंसर आया 19. 19 further divided by 19. 19 ones are. We got the prime factors are 7, 13 and 19. So what is the relation? 13 minus 7 is 6 and 19 minus 13 is 6. So we see that the difference between the two consecutive prime numbers is 6. दोनों consecutive prime numbers का difference क्या आता है? 6 आता है. See the seventh question. The product of 3 consecutive number is always divisible by 6. ऐसे 3 consecutive numbers है जिसका product जो है, product means multiplication, divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. Examples हमें लेने. Take any 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers लेने कौन से भी हो सकते हैं. Here we have taken 20, 21, 22. Here 20 is divisible by 2. 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore the product, that is 20 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 22. It is 9240, which is divisible by 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 ये product divide है. To the second sub question of this. Take 3 consecutive number, that is 30, 31 and 32. लिया. 30 divisible by 3, 32 divisible by 2. So उनका product आता है 29 and 7 and 16, which is divisible by 6. So it is proved. Third example लिया हमने 48, 49, 50. 40 is divisible by 3, 50 is divisible by 2. Their product is 1,17,600, which is divisible by 6. Move to the eighth question. The sum of two consecutive odd number हमें लेने, which is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some example. Now you can take any two odd number which are consecutive. 97 and 99. These two are odd number. उनका sum लो. Addition कितना है? 196. Now we have to check that this number is divisible by 4. What is test of 4? Last two number जो है digits है number के divisible by 4 है. Then 196 is divisible by 4. So last two digits are 96, which comes into 4 table. So this whole number is divisible by 4. That it is proved. More examples are there. 121 and 123. उनकी addition 244, which is divisible by 4. Next 105, 107. Addition 212, which is divisible by 4. Let us move toward the ninth question. In which of the following expression prime factors has been done? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किस में किया है वो हमें देखना है। देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 24 के फैक्टर्स 2 3 4, बट इन दैट 4 इज नॉट प्राइम फैक्टर है कि नहीं, प्राइम नंबर है ही नहीं, सो हियर इट इज नॉट डन। इन 56 में देखो 7 2 2 2, सी ऑल आर प्राइम फैक्टर्स, so it is done। 70 में देखो 2 5 7, all are prime factors, so it is done। and 54 में 2 3 9, where 9 is not prime factor, 9 further can be divided as 3 3s are, so here 54 it is not the prime factors। Move to the 10th question. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45। 45 से divisible है कि नहीं वो हमें देखना है। So 45 is 5, 9s are 45. So here 5 and 9 they are the co-prime factors. Yes we know. Test of divisibility test by 5 क्या है? Unit place में क्या होना चाहिए? 0 और 5 होना चाहिए। So in the given number 25,110 5 is there. So it is divisible by 5. And test of 9 की क्या है divisibility test? You have to check sum of all digits. Sum of all digit it comes 9 और 9 के टेबल में है, so that number is also divisible by 9. So given number is divisible by 45. It is proved. See that 11th question. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2 3s are their product, that is 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we see that the number must also be divisible by 4 6 are, that is 24. If not, give example to justify your answer. So we can prove it with the help of example. Here the given two numbers are not co-prime numbers, है ना, दोनों भी co-prime numbers नहीं है। So it is not necessary that a number divisible by both 4 and 6 must also be divisible by their product। अगर दोनों को प्राइम होते, हमने देखा if they are co-prime numbers they are divisible by one number, then their product also divisible by that number, but they are this number 4 and 6 are not co-prime। We can take the example they have taken here 36 and 60, it is divisible by 4, yes both the numbers are divisible by 4 as well as 6, but their product, that is it is not divisible by 24 के टेबल में 36 नहीं आता है, 60 also doesn't come। Move to the last question of the exercise. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime numbers। मैं एक छोटा नंबर हूँ जिसका they are having different prime numbers, 4 different prime numbers है। Can you find me solution is, we know that the smallest 4 prime numbers they are 2 3 5 and 7, and their required number is, their multiplication you can take, we got answer 210। So here we have finished up the chapter, sorry not the chapter, it is exercise. The next exercise will covered in the next part. So goodbye.